That's my shoe.
We'll see.
Hey guys, basically we are ready to go today. It's our second day. And just किथे जाने का plan आज फिर?
Right.
Can you tell?
So this is our outfits.
Today?
And yeah. Yeah, so basically what we're going to do is today we're going to go to Notre Dame and see if that's any good to take pictures with. We're going to go get food first and have brunch in a way. We had a little bit of breakfast but it wasn't enough to fill us up. And then we will be going to the Panathlon or something like that. So that'll be after we go to the church. Then we're gonna see. Our aim today is to see the Louvre and Eiffel Tower at night. So that's our goal. But sunset's at 9:30. So we're gonna have to stay out until 9:30 or at least 10 o'clock, and then we're gonna have to aim to go back home. And yeah. So that's the plan. Let's go! Yeah.
Okay. And so, are you taking 2 petty minutes?
So we're at Hank's Pizza. So yesterday we were at Hank's Burger. So today we're at Hank's Pizza. Trying out their pizza. So we got one with the Beyond Meat and we got one with the tomato sauce and basil and stuff on it. So we got the same one. We got the petite menu and we got one drink each and cookie and a brownie. So we're going to save one for later on. We don't want to eat it now. And it's all vegan.
I think it's vegan.
It's all vegan. I'm so hungry. I'm tired.
Last time? Yeah.
Jyoti, खाना कैसा लग गया?
It's amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
फिर जाओगा?
Yeah, of course.
तेरा favorite वाला केड़ा सीगा?
Huh?
Favorite वाला केड़ा सीगा pizza? और दोनों चो?
ਜਿਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਉਹ 버ਗਰ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਹ ਮੈਸ਼ ਕਰਕੇ ਪਾਇਆ ਸੀ
और जो chicken और जो beef mince
burger, yeah.
vegan.
Well, it's vegan, yeah.
Yeah. Jyoti, what happened? What happened?
Bansi road closed, it's blocked.
Yeah. So the road has been blocked, so we actually can't go and see that. So yeah, we're just gonna go to the next location. We literally walked all the way around just to go see it, but it's closed again. So they're still doing construction work because it's
I told you before.
yeah, it was set on fire last month. So yeah. Anyways, can we go now?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Move on to the next place.
Guys, so we just saw this beautiful location, just taking some pictures, and now we're gonna go get food. We found this like vegan place. It does like desserts and stuff, and they do some like bread rolls. So that's where we're going. And then, because it's now nearly 6 o'clock, it's 5:30, so sun's setting. It was set by 9:30, so we're gonna head over to the Eiffel Tower. We're gonna start from there, then we're gonna go to the Louvre, and then back to the hotel. That's like our plan. And then tomorrow we've got 2 other locations that we wanted to check out, and we'll be doing that on the way to the airport tomorrow, because we'll have baggage as well. And we've already done, so we did 15,800 steps yesterday, and so we've already done like 7,000. Yeah, already. So we've probably got another 4,000 to go at least by the end of the day. But yeah, stay tuned. So I see basically a vegan restaurant here. So we went to the vegan restaurant, but they didn't have anything. They only do brunch. Does that make sense? But anyways, then we ended up getting a panini from a store, which I showed you guys. And then now we're back at the Eiffel Tower.
Yeah, we went to Punjabi store.
And there's 2 couples. Oh yeah, went to Punjabi Singh store to get.
We had mango lassi there.
Yeah, had mango lassi, and then yeah, there's these couples doing their wedding shoot. Yeah. Anyways, I have came back to the Eiffel Tower now, as you can see. So we thought we would get a couple more shots and we'll see the night twinkling, you know, Eiffel Tower. I mean, we're free now anyways, so yeah, that's the situation. So right guys, so we've literally just got to the hotel and it is 12:30. It was literally jam-packed at the stations. I'll insert clips here. It was jam-packed. It was 12 o'clock, jam-packed. I was just like, the city literally doesn't sleep. I mean, if this was London, I don't think it would be this busy at the train stations from what I've like experienced of London. But I can understand if it's like an event or something, but not just, you know, on a Thursday. That's not even holiday time, if you get what I mean. But I think it's just a lot of tourists, but there seem to be a lot of locals as well. But anyways, long story short, we're back at the hotel last night. We're literally gonna shower now because today we've done how many steps?
13,000.
13,000 steps today. Right, so tomorrow's plan is to get up, see 2 locations, have breakfast and have maybe 1 more meal before we hit our flight at 8 o'clock. So we have to be at the train station by 6, leave by 4.
Yeah.
So we can get there for 6 and have extra time, blah blah blah, all this and that. But yeah, that's what we've done today. So we came back straight from the Louvre, we saw the Eiffel Tower, we just sat around for 2 hours in the Eiffel Tower just talking and, you know, literally doing nothing else, to be honest, and just taking a couple of pictures, which will be on my social media, that X KAUR, and my husband's will be on that X thing, so you can go check them out. But yeah, that's our day 2 in Paris done. We've got 1 day left, and yeah, until next time, see you tomorrow, bye.